In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Jotform form into a GoDaddy Websites Plus marketing site. If you want to add a form to your website so visitors can contact you, register, or submit information directly from your page, this process is simple and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. First, open your form in Jotform. Once you're inside the form editor, go to the Publish section and then choose Embed. This is where Jotform gives you the code needed to place your form on another website. You'll see a code snippet there, and that's what connects the form to your site. Copy that entire embed code carefully, making sure you don't leave out any part of it, because even a small missing section can prevent the form from displaying properly. Next, log into your GoDaddy account and open the Websites Plus Marketing Builder for the site you want to edit. This will take you into your website editor, where you can control the layout and content of your pages. Once you're in the builder, scroll down to the part of the page where you want the form to appear. Take a moment here to think about placement. For example, forms usually work best in areas where visitors naturally expect to take action, such as a contact section or near the bottom of a service page. When you found the right spot, click Add Section. In the available section options, search for HTML or custom code. This is the section type that allows you to insert code from another platform like Jotform. After opening that section, paste your Jotform embed code into the code box. Double check that the code is pasted exactly as copied, with nothing added or removed. Then click Done to save the section. Finally, once everything looks right in the editor, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. Publishing is the step that pushes your update from the editor to the public version of your site, so your visitors can actually see and use the form. After publishing, it's a good idea to visit the live page yourself and confirm that the form loads correctly and looks the way you expect. If needed, you can always return to the builder and adjust the form's placement on the page. That's it. Your Jotform should now be embedded and live on your GoDaddy website.